So here I am with the drawing that I made on the window last week and my prepared paper from the previous demonstration video. Now I'm going to look carefully at this drawing and I'm going to transfer the main points and edges of this drawing onto my drawing paper. I'm going to use the crosshairs that I drew on here and the edges as references to place points or edges. For instance, I see this little branch here, and because of how it intersects with the edge here, and because of the distance from the crosshair there, I know that that branch should come in right about here. I'll transfer several of these points. Then I'll begin to connect the edges of the points that I've established. This is just going to be a light sketch to help me place things within the format. Drawing is copying what you see on the picture plane. For this drawing, I'll take this step to get used to that concept and that process. You should not worry about erasing the ground. If you have to change a line, you can just erase, and then you can use your finger to smudge the graphite over it to make the erasure disappear. Once this rough, light sketch is on my paper, I'll be ready to start really drawing. See the next video for that. So I'm looking here at this negative shape to try to get this right also. I can't tell if the lighting is good here. Sorry. The quality is not great. Let me make an adjustment. Sorry. Yeah, a little better. Real hard to get the lighting right here. Sorry about that, y'all. Just trust me. I'm looking at the lines here. I'm looking at the negative shapes between the lines. I'm trying to draw them in the correct places within each of these rectangles. But I'm also not too concerned with the lines that I'm making right now because they are guidelines. The real drawing will begin shortly. I think that's good enough. I got most of the main markers on here. It really doesn't look like much, but it's going to give me something to start with as I move on to the next step of really looking at the scene out the window and drawing what I see.